Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to उस्ताद। हम आपको अपने MDK 2024 के सॉल्व लेक्चर सीरीज में खुशामदीद कहते हैं और ये हमारा केमिस्ट्री सेक्शन का लास्ट लेक्चर है। तो हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और अगर आपने अभी तक हमें सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ हमें सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बाकी वीडियोस का लिंक आपको ऊपर कॉर्नर में टाइम टू टाइम नोटिफाई होता जाएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। चलें जी अपने MCQs की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स। इनमें से कौन सी ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है? तो हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट्स, यस इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी। गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, दिस आल्सो। तो द यहाँ पे जो प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है दैट इज डी, आयंस एंड कंपाउंड्स आर कलरलेस। तो इनकरेक्ट है ये। Many transition metal compounds are indeed colored. Okay. Next we have 1 butene and 2 butene are showing which type of isomerism. इनमें कौन सी isomerism होती है? तो इनमें position isomerism होती है the correct option, and this is according to the Heisenberg's principle and relates to uncertainty in the position. Okay, so next we have which type of isomerism is displayed by compounds having the same structural formula but different positions of atoms on both sides of carbon bond? So that will be geometric isomerism, and the correct option thus will be C, geometric isomerism, because it is due to the restricted rotation around double bonds. Then we have homocyclic organic compounds are subdivided into two types, or namely they are aromatic and non-aromatic. Okay, so the correct option is C. This is based on the electron delocalization and their stability. Next we have which of the following is an example of substituent group which release electrons to benzene ring? So this is option C, NH2. So electron donating group enhances benzene reactivity, the NH2. Okay. Next we have which one of the following represents nitration of benzene correctly? So this one is left blank because I was unable to see it in the MCQs clearly. The picture was not clear and I was unable to have a detailed look at this. So that's why this MCQs is left blank. Next we have in Friedel-Crafts acylation, an acyl group is introduced in benzene ring in the presence of catalyst. किस catalyst के presence में होता है? That is AlCl3, aluminum chloride catalyst. This is the catalyst in the Friedel-Crafts acylation. Next we have identify correct ascending order of reactivity of alkyl halides. So the correct order is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so the reactivity, as we know that the reactivity increases down the group, so this is the correct option. And then we have identify the correct statement related to substitution and elimination of alkyl halides. Here the correct answer will be role of leaving groups in elimination is similar to the substitution, because this is both important in both the substitution as well as elimination. Then we have alkyl halides involving CX bond breakage and CNU bond formation simultaneously would follow which one of the following mechanism? तो इसमें कौन सा mechanism होता है? S2 mechanism होता है. Okay, B is the correct answer. The mechanism involves simultaneous bond breaking and forming. So this is the S2. Then we have CnH2nO is the general formula of, ये किसका जनरल फार्मूला है जी? ये कीटोन्स का जनरल फार्मूला है. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, कीटोन्स. उसके बाद है the blue color of Fehling solution is changed to red when warmed with an aldehyde due to formation of which of the following? क्या बनता है जिसकी वजह से कलर जो है चेंज हो जाता है टू रेड? तो जी इसका जो सही जवाब है that is Cu2O, B is the correct option, forms a red precipitate in Felling's test. ये Cu2O जो है. Then we have reaction of HCN with formaldehyde is N. ये क्या होता है जी? तो this is a nucleophilic addition reaction which is typical reaction of aldehydes with HCN. Next is which of the following alcohol can give iodoform reaction? Iodoform reaction कौन सा alcohol देगा? D. Ethanol जो है वो हमें iodoform reaction देगा. The only alcohol among options that gives the iodoform test. Then is the common name of 2-hydroxypropanoic acid is. इसे क्या कहा जाता है जी? बहुत कॉमन है, लैक्टिक एसिड कहा जाता है. कॉमन नेम फॉर 2-hydroxypropanoic acid is lactic acid. Next is which of the following is correct regarding phenol? Phenol के हवाले से यहाँ पे क्या है? Phenol and water are equally acidic. No, phenol is less acidic than carboxylic acid. Yes, this is correct. So the B option is correct because due to the weaker resonance stabilization. When carboxylic acid are heated with alcohols in the presence of sulfuric acid, one of the following is formed. क्या बनता है? Ester बनता है जी. So the correct option thus is C, ester. It is formed by the reaction of acid and alcohol with H2SO4. Then is which one of the following is not an amino acid? वैसे तो देखा जाए ये सारे अमाइनो एसिड हैं, लेकिन जो प्रोलीन है दिस इज इमिनो एसिड और नॉट ट्रू अमाइनो एसिड. तो इस हवाले से द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ए, प्रोलीन. तो इसके साथ ही हमारे एमडी के 2024 के केमिस्ट्री के तमाम एमसीक्यूज ख़त्म हुए हैं. अगर आपको हमारा ये काविश, हमारी ये कोशिश पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़. खुश रहें, आबाद रहें.